So here we are over at Crazy D's shop, and I drained all the gas out of the tank, and I got a fresh gallon of gas from him mixed up with two-stroke, and I've got that in the tank now, and this is my first time trying to start it after 6 months of the Banshee just sitting. That's what the choke all.
Full switch. T. Spark plug wires all on still?
Yeah. Maybe it's just the gas in the bowl. Back it out and drain the bowl real quick. Maybe. Doesn't even try.
I know. Drain the bowl.
So after kicking it over about 1,000 times and not even hearing it try and start even once, we decided that the gas in the bowl and the carb was probably still bad, and so I decided to take the plug out of the bottom of the carb and drain all the gas out and then give it another try.
All right, roll.
Tell if it's just cold or...
I know it's cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, warm it up, take it for a ride.
Because it always rides like that in the beginning.
Yeah.
You know, when they're cold, anything, like, you know, and I could feel it kind of it was trying, but it was still
cold. That's
yeah.
what I could hear, like the blubbering cold, the blah blah blah.
And I kind of went ooh, and I thought, well, I won't even do it. And then I got up around the corner and I was like, I want to know. So I did it again, and it did. But that's kind of what it was doing out there too, though. When it wasn't hitting on one side.
You come over tomorrow.